Singing wine glasses. It's an experiment that involves the physics of singing wine glasses and why the sound changes as you add water.
For this experiment, we brought 4 wine glasses of the same shape and size. We filled the 4 glasses with different levels of water. We added a different color to each cup to see the water level better and compare the different sounds they produce.
For a better slide action, I dipped my finger into the water. I pressed down and rubbed my finger all the way around the rim. You can hear how the sound produced is different in each glass. The more you add water to the glass, the sound gets deeper. We took notes of the pitch of each sound for a better comparison.
As your finger slides and sticks along the rim, you're putting energy into the glass, causing the wine glass to vibrate at its natural frequency. And that is called slip-stick motion. The motion of your hand creates a wave of vibration that travels through the glass. If your finger reaches the vibration at the right time, the vibrating glass will cause air molecules to vibrate at the same frequency, traveling to your ear as sound waves.
As the vibrating wave moves around the glass, it drags the water molecules with it, creating a wave of water. The water molecules increase the mass of the wine glass, causing it to vibrate in larger waves, and then causing the frequency to get lower. And that is translated by the lower pitch you hear. Therefore, the more the glass is filled, the clearer you can see the vibration in the water. You can also see the difference in the sound waves produced by each glass.
We tried this experiment also on other liquids besides water, such as oil and orange juice. We filled the 3 glasses of the liquids at the same level. As we know, the liquid molecules increase the mass of the wine glass. And here, the wine glass of the liquid that has the highest density produces a deeper pitch.